Hello and welcome to the Awesome 180 channel. I am Ashton Doctor, your habit coach. And today we're going to be talking about a subject that we discuss quite a bit because there are just so many people who ask saying, what do I do about procrastination? I want to make these changes, I want to do it, but you know what? I'll start next month. You know what? I'll start next week. And the best one is, of course, I will start on Monday. How many of our diets have we said, I will start on Monday? So let's figure out what it is that we're doing with procrastination and what you can do to change that around so you never have to worry about procrastination ever again. Remember, if you like content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon on the side so you know when future videos come out. So the first big issue when we think about procrastination is that the goal that we've set for ourselves is just too big. What happens is that when we see such a big goal, we get intimidated by it. It is like, how are we ever going to get this done? We get scared, and as a result, because we get scared, we don't even start. We like, hopefully it'll go away. Hopefully, I'll do it later. And we all get stuck in this trap. So what I want you to do is I want you to look at your goals. Are your goals too big? What is happening here? And if your goals are too big, I want you to do the next thing, which is break them down into small chunks. Some of you might be students. And when the exams come, it is so intimidating, right? Because you're just like, oh my God, there is so much to cover in this subject. How am I going to go about doing it? What I want you to do is I want you to pause and break down that subject into small bits and only focus on those bits, not the entire subject. And you'll notice that the procrastination will go away. The second issue that comes when we procrastinate is the exact opposite of the first. Our goals are just too small. We look at the goal and say, oh, this I can do in 20 minutes, this I can do in 15 minutes, why bother right now? Let me do it later. So when the goal is too small, what happens is that it's just not interesting enough. It is boring to do. So as a result, we wait till the end. And once we wait till the end, what happens is that now suddenly we don't have enough time, that last minute panic sets in, and as a result, that goal becomes exciting now. So this is the reason why we, shove all the small things right till the end. And a way of getting over this goal is to do what is called precrastination. So we're right now talking about procrastination, right? 3 things to procrastinate. Precrastination is when you do something right before, well before the deadline. Because the truth is that your mind is still playing back that you have to do this, you have to do that. It is occupying your mind space. And I don't want it to occupy your mind space. So let's get it done right in the beginning, and then you won't have to worry about procrastination ever again. The third reason why you procrastinate is, the task just isn't fun for you. It is not something that excites you. It is not something that you want to do. It is possibly something that was forced onto you. And because it was forced onto you, it is not something that, keeps you wanting to do it, excites you. So what do you do at this point of time? Nothing. Try and give it to somebody else to do who might find it exciting. You can also start refusing projects, refusing goals, because you know that this procrastination is going to be unhealthy for you. So if it doesn't excite you, if you can, say no, give it to somebody else to do. If you follow these 3 steps, you'll realize that your procrastination stops and diminishes a lot. And I've done a number of podcasts on procrastination. There's in fact a lovely podcast on what is called a war cry. Right? How you get up and go instead of saying, I'll go and exercise 5 minutes later. Get a war cry, shout something and just go and get at it. Charge at it. That's the difference. Remember, procrastination is absolutely unnecessary. It is just unnecessary stress. Why do you want unnecessary stress? Follow these simple tips, techniques, and you'll realize that procrastination disappears. Not needed. And as your habit coach, I want you to live a stress-free life. Getting rid of procrastination is one such way. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And please share it with friends of yours who are in a similar situation or constantly procrastinating. These are such important topics for us to talk about. I am Ashton Doctor, your habit coach. And remember, awesome lives, they start with awesome habits.